The restoration of the Catholic Cathedral of St. John the Baptist in the Diocese of Paterson, New Jersey, USA, has received the Pinnacle Award for Excellence 2020, a prize awarded to projects that, for their professional excellence for beauty, creativity, ingenuity, and craftsmanship quality for professional excellence in the use of natural stone. The furniture designed by the architect Arthur J. Sakula and made by Marmi Gherardi, G. 1938, makes the interior of the neo-Gothic structure shine. Connecting the past and the present with an idea of stylistic continuity, and stems from the principles of the Vitruvian triad, Firmitas, Utilitas, and Venestas.
Questo lavoro è arrivato grazie alla nostra continua collaborazione con la Fiera di Verona. Arthur è arrivato in occasione di una di queste missioni, ha avuto modo di conoscere l'impresa, ma soprattutto di conoscere le persone.
Firmitas, strength. It is reflected in every single element of the new furniture, which is welcomed by the floor as a carpet from which the vertical structures rise. Stone is the cornerstone between constructive value and symbolic meaning. The density of its ancient crystallization guarantees the natural stability of the ambo that dominates its interior. The pedestal and the embossed base showcase the intrinsic properties of this material. The structure is self-supporting and does not require reinforcements. The altar and the baptismal font are connected in a perspective that enhances spatial perception. The marble fields of the pavement creates a geometry for the arrangement of the benches and complete the feeling of composure. Utilitas, utility. It concerns the ability to transform raw materials into shaped objects. It is the work of the human hand. For the Church of St. John the Baptist, natural stones Bianco, Venetino, Gioia, Verde, Alpi, and Repen, from Carrara, Val d'Aosta, and Friuli, have been worked with the absolute precision of computerized numerical control machines. Design calculations, cost estimates, and lab cutting drawings were performed as key parts of the project. The dry laying involved the preparatory phases and the manual attention. The Italian craftsmanship has confirmed its tradition.
The bishop wanted two things. Well, he wanted three things. He wanted Italian stone by Italian craftsmen, and he wanted the color restored in the glass, because all the glass had to be cleaned and it had to be restored. And he wanted wonderful lighting, natural lighting from the glass, but also artificial lighting, because there is liturgy in the evening as well. And he wanted a great sound system, so he put a wonderful sound system in, because he wanted to be heard, he wanted to be seen.
Venestas, beauty. It stems from the proportions of the interior space, of the materials used, and the ornamental forms adopted. The neo-Gothic architecture, with its slender pillars, sharp-sided arches, stained glass windows, and the monumental ciborium, is reflected in the detailed design of the new furniture that allows the original imprint. This applies to moldings, carvings, and chromatic fields. The hand fretwork of the ambo and the baptismal font, carried out under the direction of Franco Gherardi, echoes the spirit of 14th century churches.
Devo dire che questo progetto che ho seguito insieme ai miei figli mi ha fatto ringiovanire di parecchi anni, perché fin da giovane io ho sempre fatto lavori ornamentali eseguiti a mano. Dopo c'è stato purtroppo un periodo storico dove l'ornato è stato eliminato, dove la linea più moderna è diversa. Adesso con questo progetto di ricostruzione di questa chiesa finalmente abbiamo potuto riprendere le vecchie passioni che avevamo fin da giovani, perché abbiamo dovuto eseguire diversi lambone, diversi ornati proprio col scalpello a mano come si faceva una volta.
The visual pleasure of the colors, from the light and bright colors to the depth of the veins, is matched by the volumes obtained from the stone, the cylinders, the octagonal prisms, and the cube. Beauty originates from the fusion of geometry and plasticity. The concept of firmitas, utilitas, and venestas has been introduced by Vitruvius in the Augustan age and was lately adopted by all the great European architects. They are not separate moments of the project, but an indissoluble whole, a single concatenation. This is the object achieved with the restoration of the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist.
Abbiamo partecipato proprio per così, spirito di competizione a questa opportunità, ovviamente coscienti e consapevoli che il mondo dei progetti è estremamente ampio e non nutrivo nessun tipo di aspettativa, tant'è che l'assegnazione di questo award è stata sicuramente una bellissima sorpresa, molto gradita e ripeto assolutamente inaspettata, nonostante credo che il valore della realizzazione e dell'intervento parli da solo.